Hey everybody, Frugal Farmer here. All is well on the farm. Right back there where you see that elbow, I went in and glued that elbow onto the tank because I'm in my pump house and I'm having to sit down to be in here. And there's not a lot of room, so I had to get this 19-gallon tank in here and my 6'6" self and get it positioned. Well, I went in and glued that in. Well, this pipe right there that comes into that, they were at different heights, so I had to leave as much on that pipe. Or I could have extended it, but then it just gets where you're going down a rabbit hole doing that. So I had to take this pipe and pull it up probably about 1/8 of an inch, and so I pulled it up and slid it into there and just kept working that. But see, I wasn't able to twist all that. So what I did on that, I took this and right around in here, like it would have been like that. At the very bottom, I put a lot of glue, and all of it was cleaned and all the purple stuff put in there. And I just shoved it in there. Well, I wasn't in a hurry to use the water, and the water was probably, I let the glue set up for probably 2.5 hours, I'd expect. And then I turned the water on, came out here, and my pressure's better than it's been in a while. And that tank, that was the original tank, because I was trying to think. And it's probably 25 years old, maybe. And because I was trying to think when I actually had this well put down. And I kind of had to go off the age of my oldest son. And so it had served its purpose. But let me show you what was going on with that. This tank had cracked somewhere in this bottom, and I really, maybe right in there, possibly. But anyway, it was shot. It was just years of use, and it was time to go. It picked the worst time it could have gone, but I'm happy with it, and I got a new skill put to use on the farm. But all is well on the farm, folks, for now. Thanks for stopping by. Come back again when you will. Share, comment, like. Hit the subscribe button. Be well and safe, my friends. God bless.